They want to get the fraps of it.
Did you like, take note of the stream and stuff, like when it is, so you can get it easy?
Yeah, I can. I'm not retarded.
I have no idea how it works. Yeah.
Just
Fuck
asking to
off,
make
Alfie,
it easy
you
for you.
cheeky
Fuck,
prick.
like, yeah.
Sorry, I'm acting like 411. Apologies.
Someone's got to. It's just like, there's always got to be one.
Just talking with you. I think the engineer's on you.
First spawn coming.
Dropping off to next.
Dropping line. Kill it.
Just watch where you are, Liam.
I am right there, so don't kill me.
Yeah, okay. Face, mate.
I moved. I was scared.
Second spawn.
But we weren't supposed to get shields.
If
Spawn
one
there
spawns
sometimes,
there,
that's not,
Grabbing
Don't
out.
kill it. Don't kill it.
Watch this. I can't kill him right now. Don't.
I mean, the way to fix that is to just not be there. Like, it's always that one. Like, we can just move further down, but
it makes
It's
it
not
hard
really
for me to
a
pick up the
big deal,
NG.
yeah.
Like, if it.
Don't kill that one.
Don't kill it.
It's real fucking low.
fucking relax, mate.
Not even close to being out yet.
Breaking this MC.
Watch me
Dropping.
death.
Dropping.
You on?
I won't be able to stop you. Okay, I can. No range on Jazz though.
It's fine, I'll be back.
And this
Got
one.
you.
Just rape this cunt.
I can annihilate him.
Don't be on top of me.
Might be
Yo,
no
man.
chaos. Probably no chaos on that. But drop rupture.
So I'm gonna do this one round slice.
Just need one more bomb.
Get crowded up,
Yeah, you gotta
please.
do this. Break an MC.
Make sure you revive all
Mana
these.
there, you can kill it.
I will. Had to do it.
Move away, move away, move
Yeah.
away.
Early.
Asphyxia, wasn't it?
Just gonna sneak one in here.
Yeah, we're too
good.
far away, sorry.
We're
Are we
good.
good?
Here we go.
Flow, flow.
I'm dead.
It's down.
Res? Okay.
Don't have one.
Try to manage. Maybe.
Yeah, like, you totally can do it.
Did you possess?
Bombs down.
I won't have tanks at all.
Bombs. Get out with bombs.
Is it engineer on me? Get someone told it.
Oh, that's the stuff. The old faint KS.
Those things take so long to die without Liam.
Yeah, he's probably the biggest part of the blender.
I don't know about that. Like,
One of the biggest
Very-
contributors.
I don't know.
Get out with the bombs.
I know, but like, we could do this without Liam if
Do we
the
have a
shields were sick, you know
security
what I
guard
mean?
up?
Yeah.
Alright.
No,
So,
one
yeah.
just
There's
came.
Watch those bombs
bombs,
in the raid.
bombs,
Watch the
bombs,
bombs in the raid.
Job.
So we didn't keep
Yeah,
the
it's
security
fine.
guard?
There is one.
No.
Yeah, but we didn't keep a low one.
Correct.
I wasn't healing.
Amps up. Is this one getting MSO'd?
Eventually.
Yeah, I'll MC it. Watch rooms.
Shred Liam.
Yo, get
to
out,
be
get
inch.
out, get out, get out.
Fucking Foreman's like dead.
Yeah.
This is a kill.
MC.
Fire calls down. Can res someone.
On the slag. It's at the boss.
I'd get Liam personally.
Get him.
Get out.
Oh my god. Trying a 3, 2, 1.
Need to drink, need to drink.
Interrupted.
Slag didn't die. Don't he? Wait, you still go with it.
It's gonna die now.
He's dying now.
Cancel MC.
Primal. Hard. Get out. The purge needs to be locked with that. Smashed it anyway.
39%, it's good.
It's with an extra healer.
Now he
It's not
pops
really
you
the
dudes.
same because he's like
It's on fire calls or no?
around. Similar, like
So yeah,
What
you
are we
want to
on,
be
fire
killing
calls?
security guard, a security guard, and cleaving fire callers very heavily.
I've got
Foreman's
3.
on 10%.
Oh, God.
doesn't matter. He'll die eventually.
Doesn't matter, he'll die. Like,
Fire
he should just be an
callers,
afterthought.
It should
Image
literally just
content.
be kill fire callers and cleave.
Fuck, man,
Very
that
right,
last,
sorry.
Guards.
Those fire callers need to die because
Yeah,
you
it's
get
just for-
1 debuff from each one, kind of thing.
like that blast has ramped to 10, like just then as well.
Yeah, well, he'll like if we do it clean and with the security guards and everything, like everything will be very close to being dead. We'll have one down already. Your security guards will be low, and he'll be like, what is he there? Like he's pretty fucking low, right?
Hey,
That's
boy.
high.
Yeah.
Primal
So it's like-
Elementalist healed to
yeah.
full.
Bridget with some coolies and
Yeah, I wasn't.
then it's just sustain.
I'm
It's not
just
G's one of that.
Actually gonna make
My
a targeting
concern,
macro
right?
for fire calls, eh?